See that girl all dressed in black? Very soon you'll hear her scream, for she has sworn to live the nighttime. The man who steals your dreams. She asks why he lay so silent. She wonders what his thoughts could be. If she had sworn to live the nighttime, the man who steals your dreams. Whoa, 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 whoa. Your joy is far from shouting, but still your smile it gleams, and that means all the world to me. The man who steals your dreams. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am your dream taker. I am no fantasy. I confiscate your video nasties. I'm the man who steals your dreams. I'll suppress all illusions and destroy creativity. But tonight I am your lover. I'm the man who steals your dreams.